Hello guys, welcome to our unboxing. So we got this fantastic packaged item here. This one is part of our Filipino treat box which you would have seen in our previous video. And if you want to look back, you can always check it out. So this is one of the items that I promised I'll show you guys. I wanted to open it in front of you guys. So we got our scissors, our handy scissors, and we're gonna unbox. We're gonna remove the packaging. Okay, I'm just gonna get our trusty pair of scissors, and we're gonna get going. Alright, so here we go. We got a lot of unboxing to do. We got so much stuff pending because we stayed away from this unboxing project because of the length. It's time we get back. There you go. We're gonna cut this bit here.
Can I cut?
Yeah, you can cut here. Be careful. Don't cut your friend's hand. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Aha! We are entering the dragon, guys. Here we go. Yes. Hello, Derek. We are going to show you slowly what it is. Revealing it. Are we still okay with the date? Consume before. Uh-oh. What does this mean? Best before 24? Yeah. June 16, 24. Okay. So here it goes. Nothing. Ta-da-da-dun. 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 It's Jerry's spicy bagoong shrimp paste. The packaging is quite good. There we go. So that's it, guys. It's just a short video showing you what we unboxed from the first video. So this was included in the package. So I just wanted to show you quickly before we actually tried it out. So it's a spicy version. I haven't tried this one actually. So yeah, if you want to know the taste review, just comment below and we'll tell you if it's worth it for the price. But if you go to their restaurants, they do give this to you when you order some of their food. And here's the ingredients if you're interested. There you go. Yeah, I think the lighting is there's a glare of the window. But anyways, there you go. Alright, we'll see you very soon, guys. See you soon. Bye.